Welcome to Digital Dynamo Lab. In this video, we will explore the difference between CLI and GUI. CLI stands for Command Line Interface. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. CLI is generally difficult to use because it requires typing commands. GUI is easy to use with windows, icons and menus that anyone can click. CLI consumes very low memory since it's text-based. GUI uses more memory because it has graphics and animations. CLI allows for high precision since you type exact commands. GUI is less precise because you interact through graphical elements. CLI is faster for experienced users. GUI tends to be slower due to graphical overhead. CLI only needs a keyboard for input. GUI requires both keyboard and mouse. CLI's appearance can't be easily changed. It looks the same all the time. GUI lets you customize its appearance with themes, colors and layouts. In CLI, you enter commands only at a command prompt. In GUI, you can input data anywhere on the screen. CLI shows information as plain text or files. GUI can show text, images, videos and more. CLI doesn't provide menus, everything is command-based. GUI offers menus to help users navigate easily. CLI doesn't use graphics. GUI is full of graphics and visual elements. CLI doesn't use pointing devices like a mouse. GUI uses a mouse or touch page to select items. CLI doesn't prevent spelling mistakes or typing errors, so you have to be careful. GUI usually helps avoid these errors with buttons and prompts. CLI can do multitasking, but it's hard to see multiple things at once. GUI makes it easy to open and work with several windows simultaneously. CLI allows scripting. You can write a series of commands to automate tasks. GUI doesn't support scripting in the same way. So, CLI is powerful and fast for experts who like precision and scripting, while GUI is user-friendly and visual, perfect for beginners and general users. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Digital Dynamo Lab for more tech lessons.